Hello, I am so happy you're here. I'm Victoria, and today I am in Glenwood Springs, Colorado. It is Memorial Day tomorrow. We are on our first road trip of the year, and I am making this amazing salmon, potato, asparagus salad for myself and my family. So let's get started. Ready to get the potatoes started because they're going to take the longest. I've got this wonderful grill basket here. I'm going to put them on the hottest part of the grill, and I'm going to put the hood down and let them cook. So the potatoes, I parboiled them, so I gave them a head start, quartered them, and then I also drizzled some the vinaigrette on there. So this is going to take about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm going to check back, see how charred they are. My goal is a very charred, roasted potato to bring tons of flavor to this salad. So the potatoes have really good char on it. That's how I know it's time to put the salmon on. Okay, flesh side down first. We're gonna go about 3 minutes, and then we're gonna flip it 90 degrees so we get some good grill marks on there. Okay, so the salmon is just about ready to be turned, but before I do that, I am going to put the asparagus on. Now I have blanched this asparagus, and I've also dressed it in the vinaigrette so that it has a really good start. So by putting it on the grill now, we're going to get that flavor and cook it just that last bit that it needs. And now we are going to flip our salmon inside down. We're going to cook for about 3 to 5 more minutes, and then everything's going to be done because the potatoes are wonderfully crispy and roasted, and so they're on low right now, just kind of hanging out and staying warm. Everything is ready to come off the grill. We're going to start with the salmon. Pull that off. Cooked perfectly. Oh my God, it looks amazing. Ooh! That guy needs a spatula. Okay, let's do this. Look at that salmon. Oh, so beautiful. Okay, then we're gonna I'm gonna chop this asparagus because I don't like the big pieces in my salad, so I'm gonna put it right here on my cutting board. Look at the char on that asparagus. Oh, the flavor. The flavor it's going to bring is amazing. Okay, potato. The grill basket's very hot, so I'm getting these fluffy, wonderful mittens on. Okay, we're going to put that right there. Always remember to turn off your grill. Nobody wants the house to be on fire. Okay, so we're going to build this salad now. The first thing I'm going to do is get these chopped into smaller bite-sized pieces that would be a little bit more appropriate for a salad. I mean, yes, you could eat a salad with a knife and fork, but I don't like doing that. So, okay, so we've got that. We have our dressed salad greens here. We're going to put that down first. Okay, it's beautiful. I'm going to put a little bit more. Give a nice base for all this wonderfulness that's going on top of it. Okay, so then we're going to take our asparagus and put it in its little, whoops, nope, can't go away. You have to make it in the salad. Okay, we've got that. Then, a little hot, we got the potatoes. You probably should use a spoon. I don't have a spoon. It's a little hot, but I'm going to live. It's going to be okay. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to chunk up, I'm going to move this over here, I'm going to chunk up my salmon, and I obviously don't want the skin on it, so I'm going to pull that away from the skin. I'm going to make a nice little pile. Oh, hey Sherman, you like salmon, don't you?
Perfect.
Yeah, you'll get some, don't worry. Okay, so I'm going to get some salmon here, get another piece, so you see the skin is left. It is so wonderful to cook outside here in Glenwood. It's just beautiful. We've had a little bit of a cloudy day, but it's still quite wonderful. Okay, we got salmon on both sides. And now I'm going to add some feta cheese. This authentic Bulgarian feta, which means that it is made with sheep's milk And even though I'm dairy free, I can handle sheep in small doses. Not sheep, but sheep smoked cheese. And so we're going to add this. Now I've made this salad without the feta and it's still amazing. But the feta gives it a really nice bite. Okay, so we have a lot there. And then the last component we're going to add is some roasted red peppers. We're going to put those over here. This is such a beautiful plate. Okay, we got red, we got green, we got white, we got pink. We got all the colors in the rainbow. The last thing is it needs, everything's been dressed, but I want to add a little bit more dressing to the top to just kind of finish it off. Oh my God, that looks so amazing. I cannot wait to eat this. Everybody's gonna love this. Right, everybody?
Yeah, hey, all right.
Okay, everybody's not here. We only got one. That's good. Okay, we are ready to eat.
Fabulous.
Thank you so much for watching.
Right.
Make sure you subscribe, like, enable notifications, and all the things that support time. Happy eating.
Cheers.